I'll show you something special. This is Volkswagen Passat 2-liter turbo diesel, right? So the customer complains the engine gonna have a problem with the clicking sound, just like a cold weather, it's like a valve, something like that. But when you are driving with warm and you don't hear the clicking sound, it's just like valve train, I just driving it to try it in cold weather, and I heard one time, and when it's warm and then everything's okay. Then I decided I'll give it for customers, but I found that the problem is in a valve train, but you can't drive like that, it's expensive, If you don't have any problem, it gives him time to fix the car, you can't drive it anyway. Driving good. Got a power, everything. Automatic transmission. It changed the gear in the right point. There is a power. Then the car is driving fine. So nothing. This condition, I can't say it's normal, you can't drive it like this. Full power. You hear nothing, no trouble code, nothing, right? So this is in a normal situation, a valve train sound, we hear it in a cold situation, and after it's warm up, and the clicking sound is gone, which is not fun. So you can't drive it like that, alright? So thank you for watching my video. Give you comment, subscribe. Now full power, right? Just like that. 100 kilometers per hour. It's fine. It's fine. In this situation, we're not going to waste time, I'll call him and tell him that to take the car. down. So thank you for watching my video. Subscribe, give a comment, and this is how you are test drive. So, and tell the customers that the truth, that if there is a problem that we can tell, and this happened, if not a problem, so the car is driving so fine. So just like that.